Hey everyone, Hilary Marshall here with RE/MAX Newport, based in beautiful Newport, Rhode Island, covering the Ocean State on the Homes with Hill team. What I love about this time of year in the fall is the transition of seasons and the nice, cool, crisp fall air that we get, and allowing you to layer up those bundling layers and makes you nice and cozy. But what happens when you want a cozy meal or you want to do something that's just a little bit different from the summer months? I've got a couple bullet points for you that can help guide you through on Broadway in Newport, Rhode Island for the fun activities you can do and the spots you can have a cozy meal. I would stop by on Mondays. Caleb & Broad has $12 entrees and they have some amazing food. This is actually where I met my husband, so I am a big advocate of Caleb & Broad. After your meal on Monday, go across the street to Fifth Element because they are having some fun music and grab an amazing drink. Other things that you can do during the fall season is the Broadway Fair. This is one of my favorite things to do this time of year. They shut down all of Broadway and parts of Washington Square as well. They have vendors, face painting, they have crafts, they've got food, everything that you're looking for to really spice up your fall season. There are so many things to do this fall, and I know that there are way more out there. My other favorite thing is having a nice beer at Poor Judgment. They've got their own line of beers too. Everything from the top to the bottom of Broadway and into Washington Square has everything for you and your family. Broadway offers on a day-to-day basis everything from getting your nails done, having a place to go for a drink, places for breakfast, places such as a consignment store. There is so much to do on Broadway. Make sure you explore what it has to offer for yourself. If you have any questions specifically about the Broadway, Newport area, or surrounding area, feel free to reach out to me, Hilary Marshall, RE/MAX of Newport, Homes with Hill team.